Hiya guys, how you doing? Right, bit of a manic month this month. I am to refit downstairs into a bedroom. What happened was, my mother was 81, tripped over the sill, fell in the kitchen and dislocated her shoulder. She's in hospital at the moment and they're going through physio. But I was being eager to try a new lighting rig, which is going to make it great for filming, etc. But you can see the house is in a hell of a mess at the moment, so videos are going to be a little bit slow coming over the next few weeks as I sort through all the rubbish, dispose of everything, bring in a new bed for downstairs for my mother to sleep in because she won't be able to use the stairs. You say, how can a shoulder stop from using the stairs? Well, it's easy. She dislocated her shoulder, so she can't use the handrail to take herself downstairs, and social services won't let her home from hospital until she has the new bed in place for the nurses to care for her. Okay, so that's what's going on there. And with that, so next cut then, we're going to have a quick look to see how this new lighting rig performs and helps. If it makes anything better for filming. I've been told to try a ring light for a better all-round performance, so let's see how it looks. Okay guys, here's the video. We're going to be looking at this 1991 Lido Marathon. So I can see so far I've got quite a bit of reflection in that, but I do have settings I can play with. Let's bring the dim down. I give myself a more so that's full setting. That's full on a so you can go more an orange light, white, blue, I think a white light, just some of that setting down. Okay, because one of my problems has been, always been, is the lack of lighting because it's a very dark house. Okay, so London Limited, Lido, England, made and printed in England. There's all the Spanish on it. This was the Lido Marathons range. Now, one of the nice things about this truck is, those you don't know, Jack O'Dell, Lido, started the company. I hate that light reflecting on there, but how it comes out afterwards, we don't know. We'll have a look. But Jack O'Dell started the company after the collapse of Matchbox, and he bought back. Can you do? I just ripped the box. Oh yeah. Or tooling, and this you will discover how the wheels sector and everything is done is exactly the same as it was done on the old pre-80s Matchbox. I'll bring along one of Jack's other trucks now, as you can have a look, or one of Jack's original Matchboxes. Here you got an original Matchbox. Obviously it's the interstate cab. And when you look at the tooling, how we use the tooling, all the wheels etc., you can see it's the same wheels virtually on both trucks. Turn it over, because the tooling which he bought back when Matchbox went bust in '84, I think it was, off the top of my head, a lot of the tooling went to Macau and Thailand etc. But the original tooling from the 60s and 70s, he bought it all back, and that's what he started Lido with. So essentially this was built in the 60s, this was done in the 90s, and they're essentially one generation apart on the same tooling. So what do I plan to do with this? Okay, I want to turn this into a tractor unit. So that's going to be shortening the chassis, cutting the cow up and shortening the chassis. But I'm not going to use this chassis. I think using the DAF 3300 chassis. Rivet the cab onto that. You may have to make a new chassis to put the bottom on with. Excuse me. That's how things go. Okay, so just this little video on the Lido Leyland T45. This is the high cab. You got this little ridge by here. Sometimes the cab was brought forward, then dropped down, given a low datum cab before a little ridge. And this would be the full cab. Used also on the Scammell S26 drops truck 4x4 T45 interstate, the aerofoil on the roof, etc. So we're going to see now what I'm going to do with this. Alright guys, so we're going to see how it's going to turn out. I'm using the light on the arm now with the camera. I don't know if I'm going to get on with this or not. We're going to play with it and see what happens. I'm going to re-edit this now, so you'll see the results. When you see it, it'll be the results of what's come out, which also come as good, because if you're watching this on I Ride a Rally, I do have the new light system. Was turned up from Gasiron, from Gasiron, for hiking, backpacking, etc. So keep watching. That'll be up sometime this week, I hope, fingers crossed, once I get this room sorted out. So stay watching, stay tuned, thanks, and bye bye.